Hi kids, my name's Nicole and this is Let's Make Art, and you are here for our special Let's Make Art Matter. And I brought my mom actually. What's your name?
Vera.
How old are you? I'm just kidding, you don't have to answer.
6.
I just
heard
asked
6.
all the kids that. So today we are painting this really cute owl. So we did one of our projects in this box, we did an owl. And so I wanted to do another one, and we're gonna learn how to draw this together. Okay. Now, this postcard, so you'll have a postcard in your box, and this postcard is for Barbara. So Barbara, actually her daughter nominated her, which I thought was cool, which is why it was perfect for my mom to be here, is her daughter Diane nominated her, and she wanted to send some love to her. So Barbara has been going through some things and she needs a little bit of uplifting, and Barbara was actually a teacher for, I think it was elementary school.
Yep.
And she always looked out for the underdogs, which if you don't know what that is, those are the ones that, how would you describe underdogs?
I can't describe underdogs very well either. I won't lie to you. It's the people that you are expecting to lose.
Maybe, yeah.
Or the people, like in a sports situation, the underdog is always the one that has a lower winning record.
Yeah, so she looked out for those people and those kids. And so we want to cheer her on because she always cheered those kids on. So we're going to make a little postcard and send her some love with your art. So the supplies we're going to be using are watercolors that come in your box, so go and grab that. But I want you to do is I want you to grab a pencil because you're going to be drawing with me today. And I know this may look a little intimidating, but we can do it together. So the first step is we're going to draw the eyes, which are just circles. So whenever I draw, I always think of simple shapes. So on the left side of your paper, kind of in the middle, I want you to draw one circle. That's your left eye. Boom.
Nailed it.
Okay, on the right side, draw another eye. Okay, so this, do you want that to be this part?
Yeah.
Okay, so do you want to draw another ring on the outside?
Yeah.
Okay, so draw one more ring. Now mine are kind of close together, so my mom's going to draw a ring on the outside, but I'm going to draw mine on the inside. So I'm just drawing another circle. Boom. Good job. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to draw, I know there's glasses right here, but underneath, there's basically, it's like an 8, but it's on its side.
Ooh, flip your paper.
Oh, okay. So flip your paper, and you're going to maybe draw a dot right here and a dot right here. Yeah. So what you're going to do is you're going to connect them and draw an arch. So you're going to come up over, basically draw another ring, but then connect them. Yeah, and then do the other side.
Wow.
Look at that. Now flip it back. It's starting to look, actually looks like Wall-E.
Wall-E.
From the
Wall-E.
Disney movie? Oh, the robot. Okay, so now we have our eyes and I don't know what that part of the owl is called, but that part of the owl. Now what we're going to do is we're going to draw this part. So let's start actually with a big U. So start on the left side and then draw a big U. So come down further below and then come up on the other side. Oops. It's okay. It can be a shorter one.
Oh, yes.
Or you can erase it if you want.
It could be a short, chubby owl with really long legs.
Yeah. So yep, draw a big U. Yep. Okay. So then we're going to draw the ears. So you're going to come down. Maybe you draw it a little bit higher if you want. And then you're going to come down at an angle and then curve and come across, but then stop a little bit enough to give yourself room to draw your other ear. There you go.
Nice.
Okay, now let's do this front part of our owl. So you're going to do an upside down U. So you're going to go up and draw an arch. Keenan side effects. Yeah, side effects, sound effects.
Common side effects of having a Keenan in the room are...
Now we're going to draw the wings of our owl. So over here, so we're going to draw around the line and then we'll erase it. So you're going to draw basically an almond shape or a curve or a sideways smile, and then do the opposite side and draw another sideways smile that way. Then you can erase the line.
Oh.
So now, do you see how the wing's on top?
Wow.
Isn't that nice? Okay, let's do it on the other side. So on the other side, you're gonna draw a smiley face. And then draw another one on the other side.
Wow, that's so helpful.
And then erase.
I would have tried to draw a crazy shaped owl instead of do the things you just did.
Erase it?
Yeah.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
That's amazing.
A lot of little steps. Good job, Mom.
Thank you.
That looks like a mask.
Okay. Now, let's draw our feet at the bottom. So on the left side, somewhere around here, is what I would do is I would start with 2 lines like that. And then on the left side, draw a curve like that. So that's one of the feet. Then draw another one. And then draw another one. My feet, these are really big feet.
Nice, good. Good for standing on. Great balance.
And then we'll repeat and do on the other side. So draw 2 lines for the legs. And then a curve, another curve, another curve. Boom!
Okay.
Oh, and then I forgot, my bad. I forgot we have a nose. So you're gonna draw a triangle for the beak or the nose.
Okay. Triangle's the strongest shape.
Yep, you can do it like that, yep. And then let's do our glasses at the end, so we don't need to draw that. Oh, and then you can add this or you don't have to, but when I was doing this is I thought we can add, since she was a teacher, maybe it's like she's graduating.
A graduating teacher.
So we can draw a cap on top. So to do this is, let's see, what's the easiest way? Let's draw a, do you see this shape? This is a diamond or a rectangle, because rectangles have 4 sides. So what I like to do when I do this is I'm going to draw 2 dots, one at the top and one at the bottom. And then, no, it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And then, and so I left a little bit of room right here. And then on the left and the right, draw 2 more dots. Boom. Now connect those dots, connect the dots, and you will have a diamond. Look at that. Now let's draw the side. So you're going to draw a line coming down to connect on the left and the line coming down on the right. And then some caps have this. So let's draw 2 curves.
They're like bat wings.
Yeah. There we go. Oh, and then if there's a little tassel at the end, you can draw a line and then a circle and then a little tassel at the end.
Nice.
Good job. That's so fun. Okay. So now we are ready. Let's put our pencil down and get our next tool, which is our brush. We're going to paint together. So we have our watercolors and our palette. Always remember to have your cup of water and paper towel. Now, the first step is let's do the eyes. So I'm going to make mine yellow, but what color do you want to make yours?
Yellow's good.
Yellow? Okay. So I'm squeezing out some yellow. So whenever we use watercolor, we dip, we hit off to the side so it's not too much water, and then you pick up the yellow. Now, we're not painting a big spot. We're going to be painting this part right here. So I want you to just really lightly touch the paper. I don't want you to push too hard. So the middle part, this part is going to be black. So we're just doing the yellow part. Yep, keep going. So you can fill it all the way in.
My yellow's big.
I like it. Nice. Okay, then you're going to do the other side. So we're just painting the eyes. Then, always clean your brush when you're changing colors, because we're going to change colors. Good job. And then put your brush down for a second. Okay, so now's the time you get to decide what color you want. And Barbara, who you're painting this postcard for, her favorite colors are?
Blue, rose, and lilac.
Sweet. So what color do you want to do?
Blue.
Blue, okay.
Ooh, good choice.
So here's some blue for you. I'll squeeze some out. Now, rose is like a pink, and lilac is a flower. Kind of like a purpley, light purpley color.
Mm-hmm.
But you're going to do that color. I'll show you to do a pink. But here's the cool trick, is we squirted out the 2 colors we're using. And again, you can use any color that you want. But I want to show you how to make a really, really light color. So we have this color right here, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick up, so maybe you do it too, Mom. So pick some up and put it over here. Oh, yours is a little, it's okay, it's okay. So dip it in water. So whenever we make a lighter color, I want you to pick some of your water up. So go like this and scoop it and then bring it over here. And then mix it out like this. So water makes a lighter color. So if you wanna make a really, really light pink, use a lot of water.
Water is kind of like its own color.
Yeah.
When it comes to watercolor,
It can make any color. It's
really
like a
can.
chameleon.
a chameleon. Chameleon.
So we have our lighter color. So let's pick that up and then we're gonna paint all of our fur around here. So we're gonna leave the wings for right now. So you're gonna paint it. Oh yeah, so there's our light pink.
Oh, I like that.
So paint it in. And we are using a small brush since we're painting a really small postcard. But again, whenever we paint, we're not pushing really hard into it. We're just really lightly touching the paper, painting it, giving it some color. And Barbara, who you're painting for, she also paints just like you. She paints with Sarah and watches those videos. So we're all a big family here. And we love, Barbara, that you're painting with us. Good job. And then do you want to paint, what color do you want your body part to be?
Oh.
You can decide. It could be a different color. You can make it a lighter color. I just made mine a lighter color.
Okay.
Add more water. See it?
Make
Yeah,
it
let's see
dark?
how light.
Oh.
Yeah, let's see how light you can go. Yeah. Okay, go. Now try. Yeah. Now here's a trick. Dip your brush in water and now just paint with water and spread it around.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that cool?
Magic.
Magic.
So now you made a really, really light blue.
Okay.
That's a really pretty color.
Thank you.
Now, actually, I want to teach you one trick. Do you see on here how we have these shapes? So it's kind of like the feathers. So dip in, so not your lighter color, so maybe dip in your darker color.
Okay.
Then I want you to just draw directly on here because it's a little wet for both of us. And you're going to draw U shapes. Oh, mine dried out. That's okay. But do you see? Oh, here's a cool thing. See my mom's? How it's blending in. So hers was wet. So it's exploding into it, and I love that. Whereas mine was a little bit dry, but I like it too.
Cool.
So we're just making some feathers. Yes, good job. Okay, so now let's also, while we have our dark color, let's paint our wings. So you're gonna paint in this part. So, did you know, I don't know if you can tell, this is all the same color. Isn't that cool?
You've bamboozled us.
Yeah, I haven't changed colors at all.
Wow.
Isn't that wild?
Yes.
So water makes a whole different color, basically. Whoa. Sweet.
Very fun to watch you guys paint.
Good job, Mom. Okay, now we're going to mix one color. So we have the feet and the nose are both orange. So to make orange is red or I'm using, oh yeah, red plus yellow. Now, red is really strong, so I'm going to add a little bit more yellow. Let's mix it together. Woo! So again, red plus yellow makes orange. So draw or paint your beak and then your feet. That rhymes.
Paint your beak and then your feet. And then don't always remember whenever you switch colors to swish the bottom of your cup to change the color when you're done. Nice.
Good job. Yep, that's great. So swish around. Now, the very, very last color is black. So I'm going to squeeze out some black. Actually, some graduation caps are different colors.
That's true.
So you could paint yours. I kind of want to mix it up. You can use black. I kind of like the blue.
I'm going to use black.
Oh yeah, because that makes sense for you. So I'm going to use blue.
What color were your graduation covers?
Mine were black.
Probably mine was,
Yours might have been green.
yeah, it might have been green.
Green, wow.
So there's so many different colors. So let's start with the cap first. So this is on top. So you're going to, yes, so paint that. Okay, so the next part is pick up your black and you're going to paint in the eyes. But before you do that, I want you to see, do you see on this owl how there are two white dots?
Yes.
That is called the highlight. So what I want you to do is on your eye in the middle, I want you to draw a smaller circle. Yeah, so that's called the highlight. So paint a smaller circle and then you're going to paint around it and fill in your eye. And I'm really, really just lightly touching the paper. Again, we're not pushing too hard. We're just using the tip of the brush and moving the paint around.
Oh, it's bleeding.
That's cool, yes. No, I like it. Keep going, keep going.
Yeah, that's super cool.
Yeah, so your paint may bleed, and that's the fun part. It's the beauty of it. Sweet. And then do the same thing. So pick up some black, then draw a little circle, and then paint around it. So fun.
This is fun.
It's always so much more fun when you get started and, just jump right in.
There you go. Good job. Now, I kind of like it like this. Do you want to add glasses to yours or do you like them without glasses?
It looks like it's missing something.
What? No, it doesn't.
Okay, it looks fine.
I think it looks really
It's
good.
adorable.
Should we draw glasses?
No.
No, I think you
I'm
should
good.
let them choose if they need glasses.
Okay,
or not
so
later in
you
life.
get to decide if you
gotta
want
get eye
to
exams.
if you want to draw glasses, you would just draw two big circles around and then the part where the glasses sit on your ears. So you can do that as well. But good job.
Thank you.
Whoop, whoop. Do you hoot hoot? So good job. You can see this is our pack of owls. I don't know what they're called. I wonder what a group of owls is called, but we're going to call them our pack of owls. So thank you so much for painting with us. Now, all you have to do is you let it dry and then you're going to put this postcard in the mail and it's going to go to Barbara and her daughter Diane. And they're going to love it. And they're going to see all the art you made and it's going to make her smile. So just know that you are impacting people from your art. So thank you, Mom, for painting with
Thank
me.
you for inviting me.
Thank you, Keenan, for being here.
Thank you for the invite.
And always remember that you are brave, kind, and so creative. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.